Hi guys, welcome to this video about my weather widgets. I've already done another video about the weather widgets, or the set of weather widgets which I have on my Android tablet, and the Android tablet is a Yell Yaos. It's about $90, 10-inch, really good display, bright, cheap. Of course, it's a little bit cheated device. It's not actually what they promise, but it's still good. I mean, I really like it. Unfortunately, it's night, so you can't see the webcam in Switzerland, but the rest is more or less okay. The radar is not so good from the weather underground, but actually the intention of this video is about a new app. That's this one. I've already placed it here. Can see the content here, make it a little bit bigger, so hope you can see. In the tablet it's upside, so I think it doesn't have the tablet mode. It has probably just the mobile phone mode, but it uses the whole screen. It's really nice. By the way, it's called Dark Sky. It was just by chance that I found it. I went to another web page, I think it was AccuWeather or something like that, and they said they get the weather data from Dark Sky, and I've never seen that, so I went to the web page and I saw they have their app on Android, which is really cool. They have this forecast for the next 24 hours. They have even a week. That's this one. They have alerts, they have reports. You can set a lot of things, and the map is really cool. That's I mean, it's a really slow tablet, and when you have it on your mobile phone, then it's much fast. Then it's really a lot of fun to play around with that here on the tablet. Unfortunately, it's almost impossible to use it. It's so slow, it doesn't react on my multi-touch. I think maybe the problem is, so here I'm on the radar, and the radar is just flat. It's like yeah, it's flat earth. So the only thing is you can go a little bit back a couple of hours and a little bit to the future, but it's really static. It's not super dynamic, the future, so it's a little bit limited. And also the details are limited. There are definitely radar apps which are way better. It's not bad. I mean, you can go back and forth, but it's not very detailed. When it comes to it has really a strong thing, that's the precipitation forecast, and you can see you can go around the world. That's really cool, and especially when you live in Florida and you have the threat of the hurricanes, you can go to the whole week. You have the precipitation history to the past. I don't know, doesn't make sense for me, but the good thing is you can go 1 week to the future. Now you can see, especially here at the moment, there is one thing starting to develop in the Atlantic, but you can see it makes a turn. It's no threat to the US. So one more shot here, you can see. So that's a really good thing. Precipitation here, can see it everywhere. It's absolutely smooth and fast. It's not super detailed, but it's really good. This thing is really awesome. I have other apps which do the same, but you can't go around the world. That's a really awesome thing. I mean, I haven't seen something like this before. This is, you can I could play with that the whole day. That's absolutely awesome. Yeah, now I hit something which I should not have been doing, but yeah, that's absolutely cool. So, and you can do the same with the temperature. Unfortunately, it's like a 24-hour dynamic view. It does not have only one picture per day, so it's a little bit hard to see how it develops because of the difference between night and day. Maybe I'll check it in the winter time again. So anyway, how I'm using that now. The thing is, you have to pay if you want to use specific pages, like there's a thing it's called like one hour forecast widget, like this one, and the 24-hour. I think for if you want to use that, you have to pay for, but it's really it's not much. It's I think $2.99 per year. It's really cheap, so it's good and it's really nice. You can see I have now the 24-hour thing here, and you can see I think this is cloud, a little bit of cloud left, then no cloud, a little bit cloud coming, and then probably 30% rain chance tomorrow in the afternoon, rain starting tomorrow evening. There's always a sentence written. You can see the time. You actually would have the temperature. Even when I resize, I have a little bit of trouble. I just don't have enough space here on. I need a little bit a bigger tablet. Almost looks like. So you see this temperature, that's really awesome, but of course at the moment I don't have the space. Yeah, unfortunately, this tablet, the problem with this tablet is it does not have hardware buttons. So they have, or like this, and here the hardware buttons, or I mean the buttons, they are not hardware, they are on the screen. So instead of having a 10-inch display, it's maybe like almost 9 or almost 8-inch tablet. That's a little bit disappointing, but it is as it is. Most manufacturers do like this at the moment. So this is really awesome. I have the 1 hour thing here, and maybe I can go here so I can show you. That's the shouldn't be too much down. Yeah, here you can see what they have. Dark sky, they have a week overview, they have a day summary, they have this next hour thing, they have the timeline, that's the 24-hour timeline, and they have the clock. So that's really awesome. I have paid for that. I keep that. Definitely that's a really good thing. I have made this a little bit smaller. I still can see a little bit temperature and rain over next 10 days. Would be nice to have it bigger, but it is as it is. This is still good. That's the weather, weatheronline.de. That's German site. Really awesome. What I'm struggling is as already told you, the weather, the rain radar. That's the weather on the ground. It's free, but it doesn't refresh very often. I think it refreshes maybe once an hour or so, and it's really difficult. What I would like to have is a rain radar app which like has like a video where I can see like how the rain is moving, but yeah, I could not find anything like that. The my radar, the rain radar, which I'm using usually on my mobile phone, and so what's actually the best rain or best free rain radar on the market, I think it does not have a widget for some reason. I don't know. I think it's still the best thing, but it does not have a widget, and this one is called weather radar widget, but the widget does not work anymore. When you put on the widget, it says I think this is the one here. It says download failed, and it does nothing here. You can see again Weather Underground. Sometimes it's loading, doesn't do anything. It's really difficult to find something really working. I had the eWeather HD, but I tried to that's really strange. Maybe you have a solution for that. The eWeather HD, they had a really good weather radar, or radar, not animated, but a really good rain map or weather map. So, but it's not available anymore. When you click on that, you position that here, and then it says trial. Yeah, let's go back here. Oh, now I can't see that anymore. Trial expired. Please buy something from the website. It's really it's a little bit annoying. Yeah, when you here again, trial expired. Please purchase the license at elconet.com. Touch here. When you touch, nothing happens. Yes, same thing here. Trial expired. Please purchase the license. I've been at the web page. No way to get this work. But I found another thing, and I'm currently working on that, and maybe I can show you already a little bit. That's a very interesting thing. That's the last thing I will show you today. That's the web snap. I haven't seen that. I haven't heard before. So you can, what you have to do, capture region. It's a little bit difficult to understand, but when you click on capture region, here you can enter something in the URL. Hope I can do that. Tablet is really slow, so I've already put that in my clipboard. That's a lightning map together with rain radar. So I click on the check mark and it should load. And what you can do, so now you see there is a little bit of rain in the area. And what I actually want to do is, I think I have to put this a little bit more down. Let's see if it works. I've tried already a couple of times, never really worked. So you have to click on select here, and then you click on the area. I think it's probably that. At least it turned yellowish. I click on the check mark here, and then it just goes back. I click on the return button, and then it produces a widget, but it does not really reflect the area which I had selected. If you see, it's not bad. The thing is, what I forgot to show you, that's just like an image of the web, which will be done every couple of minutes. The shortest time frame, like the shortest interval to update, is 1 minute, but you have to pay premium, and I think it's not possible anymore because they don't do this site, they don't support this widget anymore. I think last update was 2016. A lot of people gave 1-star review in the meantime, and they are complaining that there's no update, but it's still working, but probably you can't buy premium. I have to check if I can buy premium. It would be nice to have an update every 1 minute. I mean, 15 minutes, it's okay. It's probably still better than Weather Underground. And I'll try with that. Maybe I can get this work. So for me at the moment, it looks a little bit better than the Weather Underground, and it would have even lightning on that, probably. I don't know if that really works with the snapshot. So yeah, I'll work on that. Maybe I'll give an update later on in a couple of months or so. Yeah, but at the moment I'm pretty happy with the new widget. As you can see, now it's totally yeah, out of shape. So yeah, let's go back to my page. It's pretty good. The problem is, of course, in my case, I try to maintain the weather information of two different locations. If you just need it from one location, you have better options. Then, of course, I would use the minute cast. I mean the thing for one hour, and I would put it maybe here or something like that. Maybe I should think about this one, but it's really got good overview of the whole area with rain and cloud and everything. I don't wanna miss that. So yeah, I think that was it for now. I will definitely give an update somewhere later on in a couple of months or so. And yeah, I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.